Rebound by Lian Martel.
Hindi magkapit-bahay ito. Itong si Cortiza is coming off La Union, his hometown.
Tama.
So magkasunod lang yan.
2-0 in favor of Pasay after that basket earlier by King Cortiza. Mark Meneses straight to the cup.
Can't believe that each and every game we cover Mark Meneses. I would have never thought that the face of Cebu will be Mark Meneses. Right? You know, we talked about a lot of names. Dito si Camacho, dyan si Dondon.
Wow, Escocio shot fake, lost his footing. Turnover, Enriquez. As JJ has a limb to beat. Trailer si Camacho bothering that attempt. Here comes Ice Hontiveros. Pasa kay Meneses. The sidestep beauty from Mark.
You know, I think one advantage of Ice,
And they have become a defensive juggernaut itong Cebu. But not that time though. Letting Nico Quinal get in transition.
going to the season, pero he's made the name for himself here in the pink jersey, one of the best shooters on their end. And now is also able to run that basketball.
Escocio with a jumper.
What's scary is that he has this attack on a one dribble jumper when you give him that space. So it's hard to know what you want to give him.
Ice Hontiveros nails the three. Something that would definitely help him moving forward if he could hit that shot consistently.
Oh yun, narinig.
Eto, alam natin consistent yan galing sa labas.
And that's 7 points already for Nico Quinal here in the ballgame.
Actually, 9 points na nga.
9 na.
Oo. Escocio. Nawalan ng puwang doon. Moon de la Cruz going right at Meneses. Great help defense by Camacho forcing the turnover. Meneses strolling down the lane and will earn himself 2 free throws. Balik kay Nash Enriquez. Binabantay ni R3 Armenion. Cortiza between the legs. Pull-up jumper over Wawi. Escocio is pure. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBN. Armenion hands it off. Al Francis Tamsi. Lista mo na yan galing sa tres.
So, do you call them
Bukulano?
Boholano?
Oo yata eh.
Pero Bisaya rin yun, tama? Bisaya rin ata.
Oo. Camacho lays it in with his left hand. And despite their limitations in terms of them not really having that consistent outside shooter, they make up for it with this kind of pace. Ayan, getting offensive rebounds, doing the dirty work, and Mark Meneses with a putback. Farito coming off the bench. Mark Parks, pasa kay Farito, tres si Christian, yes sir! I don't know if it was here or Olivares.
Mamaya, hanapin.
Oh, hanapin yan. Deflection, completed steal by Simon Camacho, runs the break. Ron Denison. This is a much better look. Bumulong palabas, Camacho with another rebound. Inside, Baityong will score.
He was the one that got the assist. Everything was named Simon Camacho in that play.
Daryl Manlinges put some speed on. 21-18, Camacho facing off against Mark Parks. Denison, hindi gumapang paloob. Baityong, same spot, same result. Always at the right place at the right time. 6 points. Ang galing din pumesto talaga sa ilalim.
Oh yes, that's been the strength of Alvin Baityong.
Ayan.
Tama yun.
Case in point. 8 points for Alvin Baityong in this quarter. Capping off this strong run for Cebu.